Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just going to show you our dowsing rods. Yeah, so they're quite simple. They're just made of solid stainless steel. So basically these are used to communicate with spirits for the purposes of ghost hunting. So it's believed that spirits can manipulate electromagnetic energy, EMF, also known as magnetic fields. So basically how these work is, because they're made of metal and spirits can create magnetic fields, magnets attract certain metals like stainless steel and copper and things. So if the spirit was to create an electromagnetic field here, it would pull the rods in that direction. If it was to create an electromagnetic field there, they'd pull the rods in that direction. So basically you can only ask yes/no questions. So what you want to do, because different spirits are obviously different passed away people, you both need to agree upon what a yes is and what a no is, because one spirit might want that to be yes and one spirit might want that to be yes. So basically you hold them in your hand very loosely and try and keep them level, and then basically you ask the spirits to tell you what a yes is, and obviously if you get no movement, it could be that you're gripping them too hard, or there's no spirits there, or the spirits are there but they just don't want to communicate. But if you ask the spirits what a yes is and they move to the left, you can then say thank you, center them again and say, spirits, please show me what a no is, and hopefully it should go in the opposite direction. Sometimes you might find that they move apart for a yes, or together for a yes, or same for no, vice versa. So basically, once you've determined what they want to call a yes, whether it's that, or that, and you've determined what a no is, which is usually the opposite or something different, you can then start asking yes and no questions, like if you're female, please say yes, and obviously if it repeats what it told you it said a yes was, you know you've got a yes answer to that question. So yeah, really handy tool to have, quite cost effective as well. Yeah, one of the cheapest products we do, and they do work. Well, I'll leave a link in the product description to buy these, and thanks for watching.